Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to remove background music from your video in Pictory. So let's get started. So this is how to achieve the perfect audio balance in your videos with these easy steps to remove background music on Pictory. Step 1. Open your storyboard and click on the audio tab on the left-hand menu. Step 2. Find background music and click the X above the applied track to remove it. Then, you now don't have any background music on your video. Assuming you want to keep same background music, head to audio settings and drag the slider to your desired volume. So that's to fine-tune your audio and adjust the background music volume. Then you can now enhance your video sound with ease. So just follow these steps to remove or adjust background music in your Pictory videos. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.